Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your interests added to the Meetup application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on this pencil button at the top again and scroll down until you find the edit interests section and tap on it. Here you can find all of the edit interests, so if you want to get rid of any of these, just simply tap on the X next to it and then you can type in another interest. Here you can find them, but you can also use keywords such as drawing. Here you can find the relevant ones, so all you have to do is just simply tapping on the relevant one that you want to add. After that, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to save your changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.